Hi everybody, you can see in this video we have a PLC product, Rockwell Automation. It's the MicroLogic 1000 series. It has 16 inputs and 16 outputs. Its main power source is 220 volts and it has an output power of 24 volts DC. The setup here, as we can see, is made up of a green button that is a start button, which is normally open, and a red button for a stop, which is normally closed. And we also have our fire smoke detector that is connected to one of the IOs of the PLC. Even the stop and start button is also connected to the IO input of the PLC. Then the output of the PLC IOs are connected to these indicators. This is red, and we have the yellow and the green. We also have an output of our alarm. Then this is the power supply for the field devices, that is 24 volts. Now the arrangement here is that when you push the green button, when the green start button is pushed, the green light should come on. This green light should come on. But presently, we have a setup that has a time delay for the yellow light to come on when the green button is pushed. Now, I will demonstrate by pushing the green button to show you that it will take 3 seconds for the yellow light to come on. Now watch. The yellow light is on now. I'm going to press the green button. Now 1, 2, 3. Under 3 seconds it comes on. It's using a time delay that is configured or programmed in the ladder logic onto the PLC to come on after 3 seconds. But we are going to do another arrangement that when this green button is pushed, that green light should come on. And in this setup again, once this smoke detector senses smoke, it will trigger this red light and also may sound this alarm. For now, we don't have any smoke that will trigger the smoke detector. And the smoke detector will be on until it has to be reset for the red light to go off. In the next series of this video, you will see when the smoke will activate the smoke detector for this red light to come on. For now, we have to call it off and we'll get back to another series of this video. Thank you.